Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how we can make a custom segment control app in with Swift, and output will be something like this. So you'll see when we select different segment tab, one label down there will be update, but with what we choose. Okay, so for doing this we will go to Xcode, and we will say okay, file, new project. We choose single view app, then here we will say iOS Swift segment control, segmented control. I name it 01. And here we choose directory. We say we cannot replace project as currently open. So come here, I close it, and here now I can create it. Yes, replace. Okay, now it's gonna be replaced, and we will jump to main storyboard right away. And here I need to drag one segment control. I put it here in the middle. Also, these segments need to have, actually I want to have 3, and I name the third one, actually I assign a title for third one as well. I make it a little bit wider, and what I do, I say okay, I want to keep wide and high with 2 constraints, and also I align this to be center vertically and horizontally. Okay, now I need to add 2 label, and I add 2 label, one on top and one in bottom. So the bottom one gonna be our output that we will update it depend of selected segments. So I don't want a text for that for now, but I'm gonna give it a background, so light blue background. Okay, and it will be like this. Also I can make it to be center for my text, and for this label it's gonna be our app title, just giving idea to users that what is app about. So I just say segmented control sample, yeah, and just make it 20, for example, 4, and text color dark blue and center. So I want this to be fixed for height and height with constraint, and this one also same. I want to have fixed height and height. Then I choose these two, and I say I want to align both of them horizontally center, and then I need to say okay, vertically what's gonna be. I say okay, keep a space with this one. So now logically all of our objects in our UI, in our UI screen has some, specific location. So for this one, I need to add one outlet. I named that one segmented control. Also for this one, I need one action. So I say this app index changed. Okay, this action. So as index one of this segment changed, this app will be triggered. Also, I'm gonna delete this because I don't need that. Also, I need to add another outlet for this label, because I'm gonna update this label in my function. So I name it text, for example, label. Text label. And okay, now I can close this assistant editor, and I'll go to for coding. So I need to go to controller. In controller, I just first of all say, okay, I don't do anything in view did load. Everything gonna happen in this index change function. It will be triggered as soon as segment change. So I say seg index gonna be our segment to the control out IB outlet dot selected not UI, I don't know why I say UI, this one should be segment, yeah, segment control dot selected index. Also I'm gonna get title by this way, so title will be again segment control, this time dot title from segment and index. So here I just put my seg index that I just declared on top. Here I need to write a switch case. Here we go. This switch case gonna go by seg index. So whatever it was, if for example when it's 0, it's a our text label update by double quotation, so backslash parentheses all about open, then I can say one seg title here, and say segment selected. Okay, and for default usually not happen anytime in this case, but I'm gonna write for that just in case. So text gonna be no selection, so I just need to say okay for 1 and 2, do this as well. Okay, let's run this app and see what will be in output. Yeah, you know what, here I should say this will be string to actually avoid this warning. So let me stop this and run it again, because otherwise I gonna write option text as well. Yeah, because I use this here, I make it a string, so I'm gonna use this exclamation mark here to fix this error. So just until it's running, review, we add one segment in control, we connect it as a IB outlet, also IB action, and an IB outlet we got index of that, and also by that index we got title, and we use title in our switch case to update our label. Okay, so let's see what will be in our output. In output we will see that first of all we will see one blank screen, which is our launch screen storyboard, and it will be there for a few seconds, and then it will go to main storyboard. This is just for introduce our app. This is the best things for introduce our app or any advertise you want to put there, and then your app will be triggered after a few seconds. My computer is slow, so maybe it's got time more. Okay, so here you will see, and when I select each of them, here I will have this text update. So now you can use this as an idea to use your segment control in your apps. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos which are coming every day. Any question, ask in comment. Also, you can find source code of this app link in our comment, and I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.